So recently I made a video about this halter and how it was a turnout halter, and someone said it wasn't because there's no breakaway on it. Well, when they describe the halter, they're actually describing a breakaway halter, which is this one. This is a turnout halter. There is a difference between them. And then this one over here is a standard halter. And I'd like to demonstrate the differences between the three types of nylon halters. So this is your standard halter. It's got your standard buckle, hardware, all that stuff, standard, type of nylon. It might be padded, might not be. This one is padded. This one I did get from the TikTok shop as well. But anyway, this is your standard nylon halter. Now this one is your breakaway. There's one difference between your standard halter and a breakaway, and that is this piece right here. This is what is called a breakaway, right there. If you notice how this one just has your normal nylon right there. So there's your difference. But notice how the hardware is the same. It's the same strength on all pieces of your hardware. If I can get it lined out here correctly, or so you can see it. Anyway, same hardware. That's the difference between a breakaway and a standard halter. Now this is a turnout halter. Notice it does not have a breakaway right here. It has nylon. However, the difference between this nylon and this nylon is the thickness. This is not nearly as stout. Not nearly as stout. Also, the hardware. Notice the difference in the buckles. This one's a lot cheaper, a lot thinner, not nearly as good quality. Also notice this part, lot thinner, lot lighter, not nearly as good quality. These will break way quicker than these will. Why would you need a turnout halter versus a breakaway? This one would be for if you're simply just turning out your horse, not leaving them out in a pasture, that sort of thing. That's what this is for, leaving them out in a pasture if you need to leave a halter on them. This one's for simply just turning your horse out like in the arena and supervised. This one's for working your horse. That's the difference between a standard halter, a breakaway halter, and a turnout.